Hey guys, Motorcarnut here, and today I'm going to show you a simple way to clear up your plastic headlights. Like you see this one, I didn't do this one yet, versus this one. Big difference. You can see inside, you can see everything in there. All right. Now, what you're going to need is some kind of compounding tool, like a polisher like this, with a nice wool pad and some good quality compound. All right, I use this McGuire stuff. It's just great. And what you do, I'm going to show you, just put a little bit on there. I would say something like that is good. And now you get the machine and you basically smear it around a little bit. You don't want it to go splattering. All right. And then we put it on at about 25. I can't do this with two hands. 2,500 RPM. And you move back and forth. I'm going to show you now. Okay. All right, and then you take a microfiber. And now, of course, you're doing this on your car. Like I said, this is just a parts car. You would tape off if you want tape off, so you don't want to hit with the compound on the paint and make shiny spots. And you could just tape all the way around, put newspaper. But I'm just showing you the technique, how that was before. You see that? Looks like brand new. Now it looks like this side. You see that? And you don't spray nothing on it. People spray a clear coat. You destroy it. Because this, believe it or not, these get very hot. You know, especially with the regular halogen bulbs. They get very hot. And that's what distorts them. That's what makes them all cloudy and everything, is the constant changes in temperature and everything. All right? And look at that. Looks like it's brand new. And this will last about, before it gets the way it was, I would say another year and a half. So you keep a little bit of product on the side. Or like when you're detailing the car once a summer, you can always, refreshen up your headlights. It's not that it only makes them look good. The more important thing is you can see better. All right? And that's basically how you do that. Yeah, and I do it to all my vehicles. See that? I'll show you this one. And even the plastic lenses come out great. All right, guys, Motorcarnut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.